Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the phone. Restart it and install any pending iOS updates because fingerprint drivers rely on system fixes. Once done, clean and dry the home button. Oil or lint blocks the sensor. Make sure cases or screen protectors aren't shifting contact. Then open Settings, go to Touch ID and Passcode, and choose Add a Fingerprint. You will be prompted to place your finger. Follow on-screen motion prompts slowly to capture edge and center scans. You now focus on capturing a complete fingerprint. Place the same fingertip on the home button at different angles so the sensor records edge and core ridges. This improves recognition when you grip the phone differently. Make sure pressure is steady but not forceful, and lift then reposition between prompts so the scanner reads new areas. Also register a second finger, often your other thumb or index, because software uses multiple samples to reduce failures when your hand position shifts. You finish by testing Unlock, Purchases, and Apple Pay to confirm reliability, and then enable the specific features you want. If recognition is poor, delete existing fingerprints and repeat registration with cleaner skin and a different finger. When setup still fails, back up and erase the iPhone, then restore iOS to rule out software corruption. Make sure to try a clean fingerprint registration afterward. If problems persist after a restore, it's likely hardware. Contact Apple support or a certified.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.